Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily replace a flow trigger in Zenphi. So it often happens that you create a flow, you have a certain type of trigger, like a manual trigger in this instance, for various reasons. And along the way, you may want to replace that flow to be triggered by something else, say HTTP call or a Gmail email or a Google Drive folder watch. In order to do that, it's actually quite easy. In order to do that, you just open up the flow, click on the trigger icon. From the right hand side panel, first you need to delete the trigger, click on remove, it asks you if you want to confirm, yes. And now you can easily click on this one and select the trigger you'd like to have. For example, in this case, I'm gonna create a HTTP or I say schedule trigger, so it's gonna run based on the timer, and I'm gonna configure the trigger saying that from today time zone is gonna be this one, and I'm gonna say run every say two hours, and all I need to do is to press publish. Thank you very much.